Before we get into introducing this amazing new portable ASMOKE pellet grill, let me go and get this thing started to do the first burn-in on this cook. And you can see I'm using the menu. I'm going to very easily control the knob, control the temperature to get this thing at around 400 degrees. Set it to going for about 30 to 40 minutes so we have a good clean burn to really season this grill and to get it started. I want to make sure you can definitely see the precise temperature control that you can get on this ASMOKE. Okay, now let's go and get into this thing. With a simple touch of your finger, you can look at all the menu options, control the settings to change it to Celsius, to change it to Fahrenheit, what have you, and you can change the time as well as the grill information to update the grill if you have a new update firmware from ASMOKE. So now we're going to go through the different recipes that are pre-built into the control and computer of the ASMOKE. You can see, if you didn't know exactly what they look like, they also have pictures. You can clearly identify what you want to cook and how you're going to want to cook it. And it's a fairly big list here of what they have available, so you're not going to get bored anytime soon from going through these options. And this was a very bright day where I'm filming this. Trust me, this screen is, you can see the screen from I was going to say a mile away. I don't think it's that far away. But from my porch, I could easily see this from my indoor kitchen where I could see what I was doing, what temperature was. So no concern from that at all. And yes, this is an exhaustive list of recipes they have available, and they're adding them routinely throughout from the internet as well. I just have to go and do the software update. Once you're done with the cook, you can completely remove the hopper in its entirety. So you're not taking the hopper with it, you're not taking the extra pellets with it you don't need. They give you a tool, which you see here, the insert in between the hopper and the firebox of the barbecue. You then can remove the hopper, and you get a little spillage. That's expected, understandable. And to give you a separate tool, you can insert right here, and then this will completely prevent any additional critters from getting in and anything from getting out as well. So that goes in there. You can close the lid, take it up, and go anywhere with it. Again, this is a completely portable pellet barbecue because it is run by a battery. Additionally, this is a little out of place, but I think this is the best spot for it. The easeability of how you can clean this ASMOKE. This here is the drip tray. It's almost too cute for words of where all the drippings go. So you can easily remove it and make sure you're ready to go for the next time. And now let's go and start cooking on this thing. I don't want to talk too much because I think this cook definitely speaks for itself. But we added a little bit of pellets to this thing, definitely nowhere near to the top, and it performed beautifully. We are doing a reverse sear on a massive tomahawk ribeye, to get this thing going 250 degrees until 115 internal, and then we're ready to go. And we can also use a probe to monitor the temperature as well, which is incredible. You see they have two different ports there. They give you two different probes. You can monitor the additional temperature of the barbecue, and you also can monitor two different meats if that's what you so choose. And because of the ACA technology and smart functionality, the precise control of this ASMOKE is top notch. And this thing not only has Wi-Fi internally with the ASMOKE, but they have a app, the ASMOKE app, which I love to use because from my couch watching TV with my sous chef, I can control the temperature of the ASMOKE to get it ready to go for the searing portion of this cook today. Now this doesn't just do from 220, 250 to 500. I also could monitor a cook or a long cook throughout the night, throughout the morning. If I'm at work, I can control it from my phone. I don't have to be near the device at all. And just because I can control it, I also can monitor the temperatures as well. Forgive the hair. It's weekend Brian right now, but this steak is. Hang on. There you go. There you go. What are you doing here? Okay, stay focused here. This steak is pretty good. I mean, the pellet grill ASMOKE Essential is phenomenal. I'll contribute the cook to that, not to my skill, because I have very rarely in my career cooked on a pellet grill. This performed exactly as I would want from a grill, and it made some delicious meat for the family. And the family's too busy to pay attention that it's done. So I'm getting to eat it more than I It's a good steak. Well, thanks for watching. Keep barbecuing, America. Cheers.